Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2002 Dodge Neon. The taillights all have simple access. Although you'll need to pry back a portion of trunk lining, no tools will be needed to do so, allowing you relatively quick access to the bulbs themselves. The center brake light also has straightforward access. You simply need to reach up behind the trunk door to access the bulb. No tools nor panel removals will be required to do so. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick access and easy removal and setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The engine coolant reservoir is in the back of the engine bay, sticking out from underneath the cowl. Although the cap is easy to reach, the level markers are obscured in the back of the engine bay and may prove difficult to make out. The brake fluid reservoir is also buried underneath the cowl. Although no cover removals will be required for access to it, a funnel of sorts may be necessary to add fluid to the reservoir on account of its obstructed position. The battery is in a cramped position in the driver's side of the engine bay. Despite having open access to the terminals, the bracket may be hard to reach, which will prove difficult in the event of a battery change. Overall, the 2002 Dodge Neon is a very easy vehicle to maintain, and would be a good choice for the new or inexperienced car owner.